it's Linda, director with The Pampered Chef and host of What's Under Cooking. I am here tonight because I got a treat. My friend Erin gave me about a pound of scallops, maybe a little bit more. So there's 20 scallops here. And I was like, oh my gosh, I am going to make something with scallops. And then when we lost electricity last night, I was like, oh my gosh, Michael, throw those in the freezer so nothing happens to them. Well, we only lost power for 4 hours, so they were okay. And, you know, I was talking to my daughter about them, and she's like, Ma, do scallops wrapped in bacon? And I'm like, ooh, that's going to be good. So that's what we're going to have, scallops wrapped in bacon with a little bit of roasted Brussels sprouts. And I still have some mashed potatoes. Normally I would do a rice pilaf with this, but I have some mashed potatoes left over, so we're just going to go with the mashed potatoes. So what I did was in my air fryer, I put the bacon, and I cut the bacon in half. So one piece of bacon for each piece of for each scallop. And I put it in there for about 4 minutes, and then halfway through, just switched the trays. Then I just wrapped them around. Don't go anyplace. Wrapped them around and then held them in place with the with some toothpicks. And I am just right now. I've got the Brussels sprouts in my thing, but I'm just going to salt and pepper them. This is like an easy thing. And normally I gotta get some peppercorns, but I don't have any peppercorns. We're just going to put some pepper on these, and these are going to go into the Deluxe air fryer. And we call it Deluxe because it's not just for air frying. We can do so many things in it. I roast in it, I rotisserie in it, I toast in it, I do everything in it. Excuse me. So here's what I'm going to do. I've got the air fryer going because my Brussels sprouts are right underneath, and I'm going to mix those around a little bit because I want those to get the bacony goodness. Always do bacony goodness. Okay, so we're going to put these, and I'm going to put these out a little bit, just like that. We're going to put these in, and all I'm going to do is put this on. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to cancel this, and we're going to put it back on air fry. 25 minutes, no. We're going to put it on for 10 minutes, and then halfway through, I'm going to switch the racks. And I am going to have, and then I'll evaluate. If I need a little bit more, I will put a little more time on. But this is going, I don't want to overcook my scallops, and I don't want to, I want my bacon to be nice and crisp. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Thank you so much, Erin, for the scallops. And we really appreciate it. We're going to absolutely love them. And also, if you're looking for things, if you're in my area, in the New Bedford area, there are a lot of fishermen who are not selling to the restaurants right now. So, you know what? Check out Facebook. There is a Facebook page where some of the fishermen are selling right from their boats, so you can get scallops, lobster, fish right from there. And there's all kinds of fish, seafood markets that you can go to get nice, fresh fish. So, help out those fishermen and fisher people because, you know what? Everybody needs to work together to help everybody. Now, also, this air fryer, like I said, this is one of those pieces that I have been using non-stop because it roasts, it bakes, it broils, it fries, it rotisseries, it does toast, everything. It reheats. I don't use my microwave for reheating anymore because I reheat in there. It is amazing. And you know what? It's worth every single penny. But also by hosting a virtual show, because we're doing social distancing right now, so we can have a fun cabin fever virtual show, and you will get free, half price, a great discount, and I'm giving $50 extra in free, and then when your show hits a certain level, $100 extra in free, so you can get that for free maybe, or half price or great discount. So let me know, comment, private message me, let me know. But also, share this video, like it, and also if you're watching it on YouTube, if I can get it on YouTube, then also subscribe to my YouTube page, share, like, the whole bit, because you know what? Sharing is caring. Thank you so much, and stay safe, have a great night, and I'll try to put a picture, if I remember. I'll put a picture in the comments. Okay, thanks, bye.